गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन अंदर आपणे एरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन एनो टाइप 7 कम्प्लीट करेलो तो नाउ टाइप 8 फाइंड आउट मिसिंग वैल्यू इन एरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन। सौथी पहला तो मिसिंग वैल्यू फाइंड करवा माटेनो आपणे इक्वेशन जोशुं। एपी नी अंदर मिसिंग वैल्यू ज्यारे आपेली होय त्यारे एपी नी अंदर 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय मिडल टर्म इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस लास्ट टर्म। ओके, 2 गुणिया मिडल टर्म बराबर फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस लास्ट टर्म। ओके, एग्जाम्पल जोशु। फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k is missing here. If 2k plus 4, first term is 2k plus 4, middle term is equal to 3k minus 7 and last term is equal to k plus 12. Okay, we know that in AP 2 multiplied by middle term is equal to first term plus last term. Okay, what is middle term? 3k minus 7. What is first term? 2k plus 4. What is last term? k plus 12. Okay, 2 under multiply thase 6k, 2 multiplied by minus 7 minus 14, 2k plus k that is 3k, k plus 4 that is 4 plus 12 that is 16. ओके, 6k 3k प्लस है इज इक्वल टू नी सामेनी साइड जाशे एटले माइनस थशे, 14 माइनस है इज इक्वल टू नी सामेनी साइड जाशे एटले प्लस थशे। 6k माइनस 3k दैट इज 3k, 14 प्लस 16 दैट इज 30। नाउ k इज इक्वल टू 30 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 दैट इज 10। ओके, आपणे k नी वेल्यू फाइंड करवानी छे अने ए नंबर पण फाइंड करवाना छे। એટલે ફર્સ્ટ ટર્મ હશે 2k plus 4, k is equal to अपने मळ्या 10, so 20 plus 4 24. okay, next middle term is equal to 3k minus 7, middle term is equal to 3k minus 7, so 2 multiplied by 10 plus minus 7 that is 20 minus 7 that is 30. And last term is equal to k plus 12 that is 10 plus 12 that is 22. Okay, these are the answer of our question. 24, this is 20, this is 40. 2 multiplied by 10 that is 2 multiplied by 10, 3 second term is equal to middle term 3k minus 7, not 2k. This is 3k minus 7, so 3 multiplied by 10 that is 30, 30 minus 7 that is 23. So number are 24, 23 and 22. These are in arithmetic progression. Now example number 2. If k plus 2, 2k plus 4, 5k minus 2 are in arithmetic progression, find their value. સૌથી પહેલા તો આપણે k find કરવો પડશે. We know that in AP 2 multiplied by middle term is equal to first term plus last term. 2 multiplied, what is middle term? 2k plus 4. What is first term? k plus 2. What is last term? 5k minus 2. Okay, 2 अंदर मल्टीप्लाई थशे ब्रेकेट में 2 multiplied by 2k that is 4k, 2 multiplied by 4 that is 8, k plus 5k that is 6k plus 2 minus 2 कैंसल थशे। 8 is equal to 6k, 4k plus है सामेनी साइड जशे तो माइनस थशे, 2k is equal to 8, so k is equal to 4. k आपणे मळी गया। नाउ k नी वेल्यू आपणे 1 by 1 दरेक नंबर में पुट करशी। फर्स्ट नंबर है k plus 2, फर्स्ट नंबर इज k plus 2, so k plus 2 is equal to, k means 4 plus 2 that is 6. सेकेंड नंबर है 2k plus 4, 2 multiplied by 4 plus 4, 2 multiplied by 4 plus 2 multiplied by 4 that is 8, 8 plus 4 that is 12, and last number 5k minus 2, 5k minus 2, 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 minus 2, 20 minus 2, that is 18. So number are 6, 12 and 18. These are in AP. Okay, here our type is completed. Now next type, type number 9. Ratio between two term of arithmetic progression. એટલે આ ટર્મની આ ટાઈપના સમની અંદર આપણે બે એસએન એટલે કે સૌથી પહેલાં તો 2AP આર ગીવન, એટલે કે બે એરિથમેટિક પ્રોગ્રેશન આપેલી હશે, બે એરિથમેટિક પ્રોગ્રેશનના સમ આપેલા હશે, એના ઉપરથી આપણે એના ટર્મનો ટીએનનો રેશિયો ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો છે. ઓકે, જોઈએ question. First question, the ratio of sum of 2AP is 2n plus 3 and 4n plus 1. એટલે કે બે એરિથમેટિક પ્રોગ્રેશન છે એના સમનો રેશિયો આપેલો છે આપણે 2n plus 3 is to 4n plus 1. So that ratio of their sixth term is 5 is to 9. એટલે આપણે એવું પ્રૂવ કરવાનું છે કે એની છઠ્ઠી ટર્મનો રેશિયો 5 is to 9 થાય. સૌથી પહેલાં આપણે અઝ્યુમ કરશું. Let's assume that in first AP, first term is capital A and common difference is capital D. Okay. In second AP, first term is small a and common difference is small d. Okay. બે એરિથમેટિક પ્રોગ્રેશન છે, એમાં પહેલી એરિથમેટિક પ્રોગ્રેશનની ફર્સ્ટ ટર્મ કેપિટલ એ છે, એનો કોમન ડિફરન્સ કેપિટલ ડી છે. સેમ વે સેકન્ડ એરિથમેટિક પ્રોગ્રેશનની અંદર ફર્સ્ટ ટર્મ સ્મોલ એ છે, એનો કોમન ડિફરન્સ સ્મોલ ડી છે. ઓકે, આપણે આપેલું છે સમ. સમ ઓકે, વોટ ઇઝ સમ? Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the equation of sum in arithmetic progression. Now for first AP, n by 2 first term, that is capital A. Capital A is first term of AP, so small a ની જગ્યાએ capital A plus n minus 1 into capital D. Okay. In second AP, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now બેનો આપણે રેશિયો આપેલો છે, that is first AP divided by second AP. First AP n divided by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d divided by n divided by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. એનો રેશિયો આપણે આપેલો છે 2n plus 3 is to 4n plus 1. 2n plus 3 divided by 4n plus 1. Okay. Now n by 2 cancel થશે, બાકી વધશે 2a plus n minus 1 into d divided by 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 2n plus 3 4n plus 1. Okay. હવે આપણે કઈ ટર્મનો રેશિયો ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો કીધું છે? રેશિયો ઓફ ઇટ્સ સિક્સ્થ ટર્મ. ઓકે, શું કીધું છે? સો ધેટ રેશિયો ઓફ ધેર સિક્સ્થ ટર્મનો રેશિયો, એટલે ફર્સ્ટ એપીની અંદર Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. T6 is equal to a plus 6 minus 1 into d. This is capital D. T6 is equal to a plus 5d. Same way second AP ની અંદર T6 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T6 is equal to 6 minus 1 into D. A plus 5D. Okay. This is very important for us. This is ratio. This is their sixth term. Okay. What is here? Into multiplied by D? 5. Here also 5. 5 capital D, 5 small d. Say for example કે આપણે અહીંયા n minus 1 ની જગ્યાએ 5 લઈ આવવા હોય તો કેટલા મૂકવા પડે? તો કે 5 ના ડબલ, that is 10. This is minus 1 એટલે આપણે પ્લસ કરવા પડશે, એટલે એમાંથી એક માઇનસ થાય તો આપણે એટલા મળી જાય. તો આપણે n is equal to કેટલા મૂકવા પડશે? 11. Put n is equal to 11. 2a plus 11 minus 1 into D divided by 2 small a plus 11 minus 1 into D. 2 n is equal to આપણે પુટ કરેલા છે 11 plus 3, 4 multiplied by 11 plus 1. So 2a is equal to 10 minus 1, sorry 11 minus 1, that is 10D divided by 2a plus 11 minus 1, that is 10D is equal to 22 plus 3, 44 plus 1. Okay. 2 common નીકળી શકે ન્યુમરેટરમાંથી 2 કોમન કાઢશું એટલે વધશે a plus 5d. સેમ જે અહીંયા આપણે ટર્મમાં હતા એ જ રીતે. સેમ વે ડિનોમિનેટરમાંથી 2 કોમન a plus 5d, that is 22 plus 3, 25, 44 plus 1, 45, 2 cancel, a plus 5d divided by a plus 5d is equal to 25 divided by 45. Okay. 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 45. So a plus 5d divided by a plus 5d is equal to 5 is to 9. That is 5 divided by 9. This is our equation number 1. Now what is given? Find ratio of their sixth term. એટલે આપણે છઠ્ઠી ટર્મનો રેશિયો ફાઇન્ડ કરશું. Ratio of their sixth term. Okay. First AP ની અંદર આપણે sixth term is equal to મળ્યા છે a plus 5d. T6 divided by T6 is equal to a plus 5d divided by a plus 5d. This is the ratio of their sixth term. એને આપણે કહેશું equation number 2. Now what is first equation? First equation, that is a plus 5d divided by a plus 5d. What is a plus 5d? That is T6. A plus 5d is, that means T6. A plus small 5d, that is T6 is equal to 5 divided by 9. So the ratio of their sixth term is 5 is to 9. This is your answer. Now next example, example number 2. The ratio of sum of n terms of 2AP is 7n minus 5 is to 5n plus 17. Okay. સૌથી પહેલા તો આપણે assume કરશું first AP. In first AP first term is capital A and common difference is capital D. Same way in second AP, first term is small a and common difference, that is small d. Okay. Their sum, first AP no sum Sn divided by second AC no sum S dash n is equal to given 7 5n minus 5, 5n plus 17. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into capital D. Same way, second AP no sum n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into small d is equal to 7n minus 5 divided by 5n plus 17. n by 2 cancel thase, 2a plus n minus 1 into d divided by 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 7n minus 5, 5n plus 17. Okay, we have to find out ratio of their sixth term. આપણે એવું પ્રૂવ કરવાનું છે કે સિક્સ્થ ટર્મનો રેશિયો ઇક્વલ થાય. સો સિક્સ્થ ટર્મ that is Tn a plus first માટે capital A plus n minus 1 into capital D. T6 is equal to a plus 6 minus 1 into capital D, a plus 5d. This is T6. For second AP, T dash n, that is a plus 6 minus 1 into d. So T6 is equal to a plus 5d. This is small d. Okay, here we have to getting 5. So in our equation, this equation, we આપણે અહીંયા લઈ આવશું 5 લઈ આવવા માટે 5 ને 2 વડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવા પડશે કારણ કે આપણામાંથી 2 કોમન કાઢશું અને +1 કરવા પડશે એટલે 11. પુટ n is equal to 11. So 2a plus 11 minus 1 into capital D divided by 2 small a plus 11 minus 1 into small d is equal to 7 multiplied by 11 minus 5, 5 multiplied by 11 plus 17. So 2a plus 10d divided by 2a plus 10d is equal to 77 minus 5, 55 plus 17. So 2a is equal 2 common katsu, 2 common, take 2 as a common, 2 common. So a plus 5d divided by 2 common, a plus 5d is equal to 77 minus 5, that is 72, 55 plus 17, that is 72, 2 to cancel, a plus 5d divided by a plus 5d is equal to 1 divided by 1. આને આપણે કહેશું ઇક્વેશન નંબર 1. ઓકે, હવે આપણે છઠ્ઠી ટર્મનો રેશિયો ફાઇન્ડ કરશું. છઠ્ઠી ટર્મનો રેશિયો ફર્સ્ટ માટે a plus 5d, સેકન્ડ માટે a plus 5d. રેશિયો of sixth term, that is Tn divided by T dash n, a plus 5d divided by a plus 5d. Here Tn, a plus 5d is equal to 1 and a plus small 5d is equal to also 1. So 1 is to 1. So the ratio of their sixth term is always equal, that is 1 is to 1. Now here our type is completed. Next type will be start in our next session. Thank you.